Hello friends, today I am going to explain you realization of logic gate by using diode and transistor. So let us start with first gate, that is AND gate. So I am going to explain you realization of AND gate by using diodes. Okay. So before starting the explanation, you must know the working principle of diode. How does it work? You know that diode can be represented by using this symbol. This is the symbol of PN junction diode. This is the anode of the diode and this is the cathode of the diode. That I am going to explain you like this: P and N. This is P type material, this is N type material. You know that diode can be operated in two ways: forward bias and reverse bias. So this type of biasing means application of external battery to the diode. In this case, the positive terminal of diode is connected to the anode, that is P type material of diode, and negative terminal of battery is connected to the cathode, that is N type of diode. So this biasing is known as forward biasing of diode, and when diode is in forward bias, the conduction takes place. That means current will flow through the diode. You must know this before starting the realization. In second case, that means when diode can be biased in like this, that means negative terminal of battery is connected to the P type, that is anode of the diode, and exactly the positive terminal of battery is connected to the N terminal, that is cathode of the diode. Then this application of battery is known as reverse biasing of diode. So these two fundamental things, first means forward biasing and second is reverse biasing, is very important in terms of realization of logic gates. So you must know this. As you know this, I am moving forward. Okay, so I am going to start realization of realization of AND gate by using diodes. So for that purpose, let us consider one figure that I am going to draw here. So let us consider two diodes like this. This is diode 1 and this is diode 2. Okay, so anode of the two diodes are shorted here. Okay, the first diode cathode is connected to the A input, whereas the second is connected to the B input of the diode. Now the anode is shorted and it is connected to the battery of 5 volt, let us say, through the resistor R. Okay, and here you have the output. Okay, so I am going to use this circuit for understanding of AND gate using diode. So you must know the truth table. So as I told you in the previous video, the diode can be perform logical multiplication. How does it perform? Everyone's here. So logical multiplication is like this. That means the truth table: A, B and Y. A, B are the two inputs. So when it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. These are the four conditions of the diodes truth table. Okay, when it is 0, 0, what happened? Let us see. Okay, now when A is 0, B is 0. Suppose both are 0, 0. What happened? As anode is shorted and connected to the battery, so here you have logic 1, or let us consider 5 volt. Okay, that means the anode voltage is greater than cathode voltage. So what happened? The both diode becomes forward bias. When both diode becomes forward bias, what happens? See here, they can be function as a closed switch like this. The switch can be closed here. Now instead of diode, I am drawing the switch symbol. So when diode are forward bias, both the diodes are forward bias, they can be function as a closed switch. And what happen? The current will flow through this way and grounded. Hence across output you have what? 0. When A and B both terminal are 0, 0, then what happen? The output is 0. Similarly, you have to consider next state, and for that next state I am drawing the diode symbol here again in that manner. Again the anode are shortened. So let us consider second condition, that is 0 1. That means A is 0, B is 1. What happened? A is 0, that means it function as a closed switch, okay, and when B is 1, it can be function as a open switch. So what happened? This is closed, this is open, then the current will be flow through the diode and it is grounded. Hence across output against what you have? 0. Similar action takes place for the third condition. And what is the third condition? A is 1, B is 0. So in this case, same way you have the output, that is what? 0. So what happened for the last condition? What is the last condition? A is 1, B is 1. So let us see what happened. When A and B both are 1 1, then both the diodes here, anode and cathode, have at the same potential. That means the diode becomes reverse bias, because anode voltage is equal to cathode voltage. It is in reverse bias. So what happened? As diode is in reverse bias mode, it can be function as open switch. Okay, the upper diode as well as the lower diode, both can be function as a open switch, and there is 0 current flows through the diode. Hence what happened? The voltage will be appear across the output, because there is no current. Hence this voltage will appear across the output and you have output, that is 1. So in this way, the diode, when two diodes can be operated in that manner, it can be function as an AND gate, and this is known as realization of diode by using AND gate. Okay, so I am moving towards the second point, that is what? Realization of OR gate by using diode.